Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making several types of honey, citrus, ginger preserves. I like to preserve this in honey for teas. I find that this is something that helps comfort and soothes some of my symptoms when I have the flu, a common cold, or sometimes this might be something comforting and soothing to you should you get sick. Oh. So here I have my washed grapefruit. I have 2 to use. I also have my peeled ginger pieces, my ginger root. This is fresh. And as you notice, I have some lemons that definitely need to be used. And I'm going to use them to preserve them in this honey mixture for tea. And I also have my fresh, actually this is spearmint, but fresh mint works. And even if you have dried mint, I actually grow a bunch of this and I like to dry it on baking sheets and store it dried. So if you've got it, use it. So let's put this together. I'm going to start with my grapefruit and I'm just going to cut it into slices. You can use any citrus that you have, grapefruit, oranges, lemon. If all you have is lime, then you definitely can use that. So there's my grapefruit. I'm going to place it in a bowl on the side here. Okay, so here are all my leaves. Now I'm going to take a clean glass jar and I'm going to start filling this in layers. You could mix it all together, but I'm going to do grapefruit and my hands are clean. Now I'm going to take my leaves and just let them kind of fall. I think that looks really pretty, and I might need more leaves, but take a look at that. Look how pretty that looks. And I have several types of local honey that I keep in jars. Let me open this one. I think I'm going to use this one first. This is just a Texas honey. Use what you have at home, and I'm just going to pour the honey right in there. Is perfect. As you can see, as I press and pack in the grapefruit with the honey, it creates this really sweet, citrusy, minty liquid, and this is what's perfect for hot teas. So you want to make sure that you fit everything in here, and that's it. Now I'm going to work on my lemon ginger preserve. As you can see, this lemon is a little dry, but that's okay. I have 2 lemons that needed to be used, and I'm going to use them. So now that all of my preserves are done, I'm just going to store them. And with the extra, I'm going to make a grapefruit mint hot tea with honey. And again, these do have health benefits, and they may soothe some of your ailments when you have a common cold, congestion, or just need something hot and comforting. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.